Welcome to Late Night Snacks, where I take my guests' naughty late night snacks and turn them into gourmet little treats. I'm Chef Donkey, and tonight we are making chocolate truffle with my 99 to beat left hand girl. She's a dancer, a funky DJ, the amazing Libby!
Hello!
Look at her! I love her! I'm so happy you're here!
I'm so happy to be here!
Welcome on the show!
Thank you, I'm so
It's gonna be
excited.
okay. We're making your favorite thing, chocolate.
Yes.
First thing we're gonna do is make the fudge. So Libby, can you cut out the cartouche for that? That's what the fudge is going in after. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Flip, and then down there. So in there, I've got 300 mils of milk, whole milk, and 350 grams of caster sugar. This must be fun for someone who just eats chocolate.
It is fun.
And
That
never.
looks scary though. Oh, my cutting's a bit dodgy.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Do you like cook for yourself at home?
Pasta.
Pasta! What do you eat with pasta?
Do you know what? Again, plain Jane, but tuna pasta.
Tuna pasta.
Tuna pasta.
I would never thought you were a tuna person, honestly.
I know, for someone who's fussy, I like a lot of fish. I know, crazy. I tried sushi for the first time a couple of weeks ago.
Sushi!
Yeah.
Oh my word!
Yo sushi, because I was mesmerised by the layout of it.
So you went to Yo Sushi for the layout, not because you heard.
It seemed exciting, so I wanted to experience it.
So in there again, 300 milk, 350 sugar, and then I'm just gonna put 100 grams of butter. Now don't ask me if I know that's 100 grams.
I was going to say, you
I know it's 100 grams. I've done
That's
it a few
knowledgeable.
I've done it a few times.
Impressive, actually. I'd probably just lob the whole thing in and hope for the best.
That's probably where your brownies went wrong the other day. So she said she made brownies. And what did your mum say of your brownies?
My mum tried my brownies and she said, Libby, they are disgusting.
she wanted to take them to work.
I wanted to take it to work. My mum was like, you can't. You can't. Just buy some from Tesco's. You cannot take them to work. I was like, are they really that bad? She said, yes.
So, Libby, when you're not being an amazing DJ or a dancer or just amazing,
Yeah.
what do you do on a like chill day?
If I'm honest, probably chill with my nephew.
Oh yeah!
My nephew, my baby.
You've got a beautiful little...
Yeah, I know. He's amazing. He's really
How
cool.
old now?
He is about 15 months. And then, to be honest, sit down, drink a glass of wine or prosecco
Is
with
it?
my mum.
Oh, Libby's mum. Hi.
My mum.
Hi, mum. And I want a little bit of like caramelly color to it, so we're gonna go for another 5 minutes. So, Libby, we are gonna make truffles now, but a little bit of a curveball.
Oh, God.
Get some nuts in there, Huss's nuts. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Just a few flaked almonds,
Okay.
and we'll toast them just to get the oils out and get like toasted nuts.
Don't like toasted. I love nuts.
Huss, you're missing out. She loves nuts. We're just gonna toast these on a dry pan until they're brown as Huss's nuts. We need to leave Huss's nuts alone, man. Do you know how you did the pancake challenge? That's what it is. Remember the pancake?
I handed the pancakes. I didn't do no tossing.
With Huss's nuts. Oh my God. I'm gonna end up with a 6-pack today. I promise you guys. Libby loves chocolate.
I love chocolate.
So she'll make her own version of chocolate. So double cream in the pan, and we're gonna bring that to the boil. Why did you do the show?
The reason I've done the show, now I have multiple reasons, but I don't feel like I'm ever really stepping outside my comfort zone. So when the opportunity came up, I was a bit like, what have I got to lose? I didn't expect, and this, I genuinely mean this, and I know probably a lot of people will say it, but I mean this, didn't expect to meet friends for life. That is one thing.
This is a fact.
Honestly.
This has come to a boil now. Can you put those 2 chocolates into that bowl here? You don't have to use the most expensive chocolate. You can use any chocolate as long as it's 70% and 40% to make the ganache. And then in the cream.
Got the vanilla.
Yeah, and salt. What I also found out recently is that this young lady is a DJ. Play a lot of piano.
Piano music.
That's right down my street,
Yeah.
man. I love piano.
It literally just, it's so good for the soul. I love that sort of music.
I'm a witch and she's a witch. We're just on a TikTok. I'm a witch. That's the sitch. Anna is gay. No. What is it? What was it? What is it?
I'm gonna read myself.
No, don't. Don't read yourself. Oh, shit. You're gonna read yourself. Okay. Hot knife and then slice.
Oh, smooth.
Don't be nervous, it's gonna be good.
Right, ready?
I'm going all in.
Oh wow, okay.
Oh my god, the texture. What do you think?
At first, I put it in my mouth, I thought, oh,
Better.
Cocoa.
Yeah.
Then I ate it and I thought, oh.
Now you guys can go and try Libby's favorite late night snacks, which is... Need I say more? Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for the most beautiful, loving, my left-hand girl, a 99 Libby! I love you. Thank you so much for coming on the show. I can't wait for you to come again. Did you have a good time?
This is something to try, isn't it?
Oh my god, look
Cheers.
at this. Outtakes.
Ah.
Is it?
What did I tell you?
Now, get your plain covers and your fucking crisps and your wine and get the f*** out of here!